Hello, welcome to Chapter 1, Small Business, its Opportunities and Rewards. We're going to go through some bullet points on the highlights of Chapter 1 to understand the scope of small business in the U.S. and differentiate between small businesses and high growth, discover the rewards entrepreneurs can achieve, and dispel key myths about small businesses. First of all, the scope of small business. The entrepreneurial process consists of 4 steps: feel, check, plan, and do. There were 15.5 million entrepreneurs in the U.S. in 2015. About 56% of Americans aged 15 to 25 have thought about self-employment. Startup success comes from combining planning and action as well as believing in yourself. Getting help helps your chances of business survival. Successful entrepreneurs not only do well, they do good for others. The focus in this text is an owner-managed business with 1 to 50 people. Small businesses from the economic core and largest segment of the economy. Small businesses range from low to moderate in innovativeness and growth rate. Small businesses are usually intended to remain small, generally a size that the owner feels comfortable controlling personally. High growth ventures have high innovativeness and growth rates, and every owner has a chance to decide on his or her firm's approach to growth. Lifestyle part-time firms start and remain small and centered on the owner's needs, where traditional small businesses are more customer-driven but remain small and simple, providing an income for the owner. High-profit businesses add employees in locations in order to provide a substantial income to the owner, and high-potential ventures attempt to grow enough to become a big business. Nearly all people starting small businesses have flexibility, income, and growth as reasons for starting those businesses. While providing a good income is important to 3/4 of entrepreneurs, only 1 in 4 say generating great wealth is important. Small business owners are less motivated by social reasons than the general public. The BRIE, Boundary Resources Intention Exchange model, describes the actions that need to take place for the business to be created in the earliest stage. The more BRIE activities that were pursued, the greater the likelihood of the new business surviving. The BRIE checklist gives easy-to-perform actions to help more prospective entrepreneurs from inaction to action. The BRIE actions also identify the competencies you need to master to get your business started. Small businesses are important because they are the major source of new jobs in our economy. They are also the major source of innovations in society. They offer many benefits to localities, including employment, taxes, new revenue inflow, support for other businesses, and visibility. Small business is also the major source for new opportunities such as moving up the economy and society, the opportunity for customers and businesses large and small to obtain needed goods and services. Recognize the 7 key strategies of the way of an entrepreneur. Persevere. When you don't succeed the first time, try again. Scale back. Start smaller and build up. Bird in the hand. Do the best you can with what you already have. Pivot. Start up and keep your eyes open for better opportunities along the way, then pivot into them. Take it on the road. Go where there is a receptive market. Ask for help. Get help from friends, from crowds. Getting help helps. And finally, plan to earn. Plan now to map out your actions. Being in a small business can really help your whole wallet and your economy. It is a great way to make a living.